Hi everybody, welcome back to Love What You Eat family style cooking show. Always here with my mom who's behind me right here. Mom, present yourself.
My favorite spot.
That's her presenting herself. Her favorite spot. So her favorite spot is gonna show us today how how we're gonna make a very just joking. So my mom Franca is gonna show us how to prepare a very delicious dish. Ma, what are we making today? I know it. Fagiolini.
Fagiolini, patate, umido.
That's it. We're keeping this intro because you know many times we do these fumbles. So this is the intro that will stick, guys. We are making fagiolini, patate, umido, and we will show you just how to make it coming up next. I love it to eat. So a very simple dish that was done over stovetop in a deep pan. You saw my mom put together a simple sauce. You can put whatever simple sauce you want and already bought store sauce, or do like we did and we just created one from scratch again. All the measurements, ingredients, directions always found in video description. We ended up using some marzano tomatoes, we added some spices, some olive oil, etc. And we cooked that for about 15-20 minutes or so. Then introduced some diced potatoes, cooked that for about 10 minutes or so until tender. And then finally the green beans, the string beans that were added in. That cooked for another maybe 10 to 15 minutes, all over low medium heat, just to simmer to get to fork tender that you saw my mom tested. And that's basically it.
That's it. Like in about an hour max, I mean, you have this beautiful, delicious meal. We used to do this in the summer so often when I was a teenager. It was my job to go into the vegetable garden. My parents would send me to fagiolini, and I already knew that we were making this dish. It's beautiful. It's a beautiful summer dish.
And great to have with a piece of bread, and you dunk and you do la scarpetta at the end.
Yeah.
So we're gonna give it a try, but this is a classic staple food that we would do often.
Favorite.
Favorite.
Oh my God. Simple, but delicious, fresh with the tomatoes. You could also use passata if you want, or also freshly sliced tomatoes.
It's their flavors of childhood. We like the San Marzano because it's a meatier type of tomato. So when we end up doing carne alla pizzaiola or any other type where you want a nice bite of a tomato, that's why you see my mom crush it with her hands, and it gets that meatier, chunkier bite.
And you get a bit more of the freshness also.
Exactly. So
it's delicious. So simple and delicious.
We would say opt for that if you want a nice, chunkier type of stew bite. But this is perfection, simple, a classic, all year round. Thank you so much for tuning in and watching. Thanks for my mom for sharing this tradition with us. And we hope you guys enjoy the content that we put out weekly. If you do, let us know in the comments down below by liking, sharing, or leaving us a message, and we will get back to you straight away. Thanks again. Have a great weekend, and as always, continue to
love what you eat.
Bye for now.
Bye. Happy Sunday to everyone.